Hello friends, I am Prashant from Precation and Vlogs. Today's top breaking news: standoff between Indian Army and Chinese PLA in a warlike situation along line of actual control. Friends, what we have been seeing for last 4 months that the People Liberation Army of China always tried to make warlike situation along line of actual control. They always betrayed us, and no disengagement yet being done from their side along line of actual control. But being an Indian, I want to say loudly that Indian Army is capable to take off any warlike situation along line of actual control and can give them befitting reply as and when it required. Friends, all you have heard what happened yesterday night between Indian Army and Chinese PLA. The Chinese troops carried road spears, clubs in aggressive approach towards Indian post in Mukhari area of Rizangla Richland in eastern Ladakh on Monday evening. As tension escalated at the line of actual control, the government sources said 50 to 60 soldiers of Chinese People's Liberation Army PLA approached the Indian post in southern bank of Penang Lake area at around 6 pm. But the Indian Army personnel posted there strongly confronted them, forcing their retreat. The Chinese troops had mounted a savage attack on Indian soldiers with stones, nail-studded stacks, iron rods and clubs during the Galwan Valley clashes in eastern Ladakh on June 15, in which 20 Indian Army personnel were killed. The government sources also said that the Chinese army may have planned to engage Indian troops on Monday evening in a way similar to the clashes in Galwan Valley as its soldiers were carrying road spears, clubs and gundao. Friends, all you have heard about gundao. What is gundao? Gundao is a type of Chinese pole weapon that is used in some forms of Chinese martial arts. It has weight mounted atop a long wooden pole. When the Indian Army forced the Chinese troops to return, they fired 10 to 15 rounds in the air to intimidate Indian soldiers. In the first use of firearms along the lake after a gap of 45 years. The previous instance of shoot being fired at the de facto border was in 1975. The sources said Indian troops did not use any firearm. The Chinese PLA claims firing by Indian side, but what we want to know from various sources or government sources that the government deny allegations made by China. The Chinese PLA always claimed that the firing shot was made from Indian side. Don't mess with Indian Army. Indian Army is the most powerful army in the world. Always keep it in your mind. Indian Army do not create any warlike situation along line of actual control. If they create warlike situation along line of actual control, then you will not stand in front of Indian Army. Always keep it in your mind. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं हो हमारे इंडियन आर्मी के सामने, कुछ भी. Always keep it in your mind. It is the power of Indian Army.